Welcome to Evision, India's #1 leading HR and IT recruitment company. Join Evision, join job.
Self-belief and hard work always earn your success. I got selected in a MICROLAND with a package of 3.5 LPA. My name is Swapnil Thosare. I'm basically from Nagpur, Maharashtra. I have done my BE in Computer Engineering in 2021 from Nagpur University. After completing my academic education, I got to know about Evision from one of my friend, and I enrolled here. I just want to express my feeling and gratitude towards Evision Technosub Private Limited. Evision gives me the opportunity to learn many things in IT profiles and give me right direction towards my career growth. In 45 days of training, I learned lots of things and technologies. I felt very happy and enthusiastic as I got best trainers and helpful staff member who always supports me to get best job in IT field. Trainers are very helpful and supportive and motivate me to learn something new. They covered all theory parts as well as the practical knowledge very efficiently. I generally recommend Evision to those who want to start their career in IT profile. I would like to thank Evision for giving me the step up for career growth, and thank you so much.